How's it going, everyone? This one simple mod is going to change the look of your 2010 to 2014 Mustang GT. On my occasion, I have a 2014 Mustang GT California Special, and this is the S197. So the mod that made my Mustang look way different are these LED side markers. Before I got these, I feel like the car was pretty much basic and like the rest of them. But now that I got them on, I feel like it gives it a little bit of a difference that makes my Mustang stand out a little bit more. The ones on the back also look pretty great. I love how these look compared to the stock ones that these cars come with. So this is a must mod that you should do to your 2010 to 2014 Mustang GT. I actually bought these ones from, I think it was called AmericanMuscle.com. I can't remember the brand of them, but they were around 70 bucks, I believe. So this is a mod that should be on your to-do list if you have 2010 to 2014. Even if you have any Mustang, I feel like you should do these type of mods first. It was easy to install, so for these, all you have to do is take these bolts out of here on the side, and then you can pop this out a little bit and reach in and pop it out, and then you can just remove the stock one, you insert these ones, and then you pop it back in. Pretty sure there's videos out there on the internet. It's pretty simple. First time that I was doing these, it took me like 20 minutes to figure out one side, because I've never done these before, and then the other side took me like 5 minutes. So pretty simple. Now these back ones were a little bit complicated because I had to lift the car up and remove the wheel. That way I can use my tools to remove these bolts right here. I know some of them you can reach in there and that was it, but mine's like cover the whole thing, so I had to lift it up, take these wheels out, take these bolts out, and then I was able to reach in there and pop it out. You can also get, I think it's called like a wedge tool, I believe it's called, and it's pretty much like it looks like a little spoon, and you can just pop it out. But if you don't have that tool, I don't recommend doing it, because then you're gonna break it. But that's what I did with the back ones. Pretty easy. So that's the mod that changed my Mustang and made it look way different. Hopefully soon I can get some interior pieces, carbon fiber, and honestly, I really don't want to do a lot. I was also thinking about adding black stripes to this thing in the middle, but at the same time, I want to keep the ones that are right here. I don't know if the camera can pick up on them, which come with the GT California Special Edition. So I also want to put lowering springs to make it a little bit lower, and different wheels for sure. Now, one of the biggest mod that you can do, which is pretty expensive, will be the rainbow brakes, and that would make it a huge difference. But other than that, thank you for watching. Pretty short video, and let me know what you think about these LED side markers. All right, peace out.